Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a SAC Concept 53-inch 3-head wide belt sander. It's a model RRK 1350. Nice low usage, clean, well-maintained machine. It really does show. We can easily qualify that because if you take a look at the front keypad, you're going to see not a lot of wear. I mean, actually no wear. When it came to us, the feed mat had never been dressed. We dressed it, took less than 15 minutes. There's no vellies, there's no gouges, tears, rips, and as we're guessing that it's about 90 to 95% life left in it. As you can see, it's just really nice, thick, and beefy. This machine has a lot of options. If you take a look, you're going to see it's just really, really clean, complete. Nothing's broken, torn up, no excessive wear. You have basically 3 drums of different durometers. The first one is obviously the hardest, and the third is obviously the softest on that finishing head. All 3 heads are spiral rubber grooved, 7.5 inches. And you have in that spiral groove, the spiral groove is probably about 5/8 to 3/4. You have almost 1/2 inch of depth in that groove. That's how much life is left. They're really beefy and thick. It's really hard to tell, but as you can see, it's just really, there's no nicks, chatter marks on those drums. First head is 30 horsepower. Second head is 25 horsepower. Third head is 20 horsepower, so it's basically a 30, 25, 20. Third head is a combination head. Air bladder platen. It currently does have a platen in the inside. There's also, if we come around front, you're going to see there is a spare platen with a different felt density. You do have air blowers on all 3 heads. They actually do move in and out, and you can control the timing on that on the front of the machine. This is a self-calibrating machine. Auto calibration is really simple to use. You're going to take your workpiece, slide it in here, and hit this back plate here. When you do so, it's going to raise the bed up. When the bed gets to the desired thickness, it's going to hit your switch up here. Your dial up here is where you're going to dial in your, 1/2 thousandth over or under to get to your starting setting. As you can see, you do have your leg leveler plates, manuals, keys. What's really nice about this sander, and I wish they did this on all sanders, you have a self-diagnostic center here basically. It's going to tell you if you don't have enough pressure, if your belt over-traveled, if you've got an open safety stop, open door. What's nice about that is sometimes you come back to the sander, you open the door, and you can't start it, and it's something really stupid that you've overlooked, and you spend an hour or 2 trying to start the sander, and then you realize, wow, it's this safety that's undone. That's really nice. Here's your controls to your air bladder platen. Basically, you're just going to toggle, you could toggle through these settings. You can hear it's changing the settings on the platen as we speak. First head control, second head control, third head control. Basically right here turns your air wands on. You're going to hear them, they're going to start moving right now. The timing for that is basically adjusted right here. You're going to come in and you could change the amount of seconds that it takes for them to travel back and forth. Really simple to use. This is your feed mat, although you cannot turn your feed mat on until your heads are on. You have your digital display for height, raise and lower. This sander does open to 6 1/4 inches. And you've got your reset button. Let's take a quick walk around and just take a look at this sander. It's just really, really clean. Nice clean case. Let's go ahead and start it. We're going to start that first head up. Going to start the feed mat. Start the second head up. In the background, my heater is firing up behind me, so there's gonna be a little noise there from that. Again, a really nice, clean, 3-head wide belt sander. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.